Do you really have an idea what the quiz goldmine has brought for you as the offer? Others may fail to acquaint you even to the newer facts, but every fact of our every episode is intense enough to fling open the doors of the brain one by one, reaching even to the deepest, and may therefore unleash wonder. Welcome to the Unbelievable Science and Space Quiz. Test your knowledge, discover jaw-dropping facts, and challenge your brain. You'll get 12 seconds for each question. You'll also be provided with a clue to inflame your thinking power. Let's begin. Q1. A day. On which planet is longer than a year? The countdown begins now. Clue. It's Earth's twin in size, but a furnace in temperature. Think carefully. Which planet could it be? That's Venus. One day there is longer than its entire year. Mind-bending, isn't it? One Venus day equals 243 Earth days, but it orbits the Sun in just 225 days. Question 2. Which planet can float on water because it's so light? Tick-tock, let's go. Clue. The planet with rings of ice and dust. Think of it, floating like a ball in a cosmic ocean. Correct. Saturn. Its density is less than water. If there were a giant ocean, it would float. Question 3. Which planet has winds faster than the speed of sound? Your time starts now. Clue. The farthest major planet from the Sun. Brace yourself. Its storms are unimaginable. It's Neptune. Storms there scream at 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the sound itself. Question 4. What is the coldest known place in the universe? Go! Clue. Named after a bird with a curved neck. One place even coldest than the empty space. Yes, the Boomerang Nebula. Just 1 degree above absolute zero, colder than empty space. Question 5. Which planet has a volcano 3 times taller than Mount Everest? Your time starts now. Clue. Known as the Red Planet. Think of the dusty red world, not Earth. It's Mars. Olympus Mons rises nearly 22 kilometers high, the tallest volcano in the solar system. Question 6. What is the smell of space, as reported by astronauts? Your time starts now. Clue. Imagine a sizzling barbecue mixed with hot tools. Strange, right? What could space possibly smell like? Burnt steak / seared metal space has a strange scent. Astronauts say it smells like burnt steak mixed with hot metal. Question 7. Which planet is made partly of diamond? Your time starts now. Clue. A super-Earth outside our solar system, also called the Diamond Planet, shining deep in the cosmos. Can you name it? That dazzling world is 55 Cancri E. Scientists believe it's packed with diamonds deep inside. Question 8. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Your time starts now. Clue. Not the closest to the Sun, but trapped in a greenhouse, hotter than Mercury. What's your guess? Yes, Venus. Even hotter than Mercury because its thick atmosphere traps heat. Question 9. Which is the fastest spinning planet? Your time starts now. Clue. The largest planet in the solar system. Imagine a giant spinning top in space. Correct. Jupiter. A full rotation in just 10 hours makes its days super short. Question 10. Which star is so big that it could fit over 1 billion suns inside it? Your time starts now. Clue. It's a red supergiant, far, far away. It's UY Scuti, one of the largest known stars in the universe. Question 11. How many Earths can fit inside the Sun? Your time starts now. Clue. The number is in the millions. Think of about millions of Earths squeezed into one ball of fire. About 1.3 million Earths could fit in the Sun. That shows how massive it really is. Question 12. Which India mission made India the first country to land on the Moon's South Pole? The countdown begins. Clue. happened in 2023. A proud ISRO moment. A giant leap for India in space exploration. Yes, Chandrayaan-3. India made history by reaching the moon's south pole first. Question 13. Which human body organ can regenerate itself? The countdown begins. Clue. It filters toxins and helps digestion. Think of the body's natural healer. The liver. Even if 3/4 is removed, it can regrow completely. Question 14. Babies are born with more bones than adults. True or false? The countdown begins. Clue. Their skeleton changes as they grow. What do you think? True or false? True. The babies have about 300 bones, which fuse together into 206 as they grow. Question 15. What percentage of the human body is water? The countdown begins. Clue. More than half, less than 3/4. About 60%, and your brain is about 75% water. Question 16. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The answer flows through you. The countdown begins. Clue. Found in thermometers. Shiny, silvery, and always flowing. Yes, mercury. And here's a twist. Gallium melts right in your hand at 29 degrees centigrade. Question 17. How long does it take sunlight to reach Earth? The countdown begins. Not instant, but under 10 minutes. You're always looking at the pass. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds, so you're always seeing the sun as it was a few minutes ago. Question 18. Which country launched the first artificial satellite? Your time starts. Clue. It was during the Cold War in 1957. The beginning of the space race. Correct. The Soviet Union with Sputnik 1 in 1957. Just the size of a beach ball, but it started the space race. Question 19. Which is the most common element in the universe? Your time starts. Clue. The simplest element with just one proton. The universe's most basic building block. Hydrogen. About 75% of the universe's mass is made of this simple element. Question 20. Which Indian astronaut said, "Sara Jahan se acha" from space? Your time starts. Clue. He flew in 1984 with the Soviet Union. A proud voice from space. Yes, Rakesh Sharma in 1984. He became the first Indian in space and gave that historic reply. Question 21. What is the largest living structure on Earth? Your time starts. Clue. It's in Australia and can be seen from space. A natural wonder stretching thousands of kilometers. The Great Barrier Reef. So huge it can be seen even from space. Question 22. How much saliva does the human body produce in a day? Your time starts. Clue. Close to a big water bottle's worth. A little gross, but very true. Around a liter every day. Over a lifetime, that's enough to fill a swimming pool. Question 23. Which is the only planet that rotates east to west? Your time starts. Same planet where a day is longer than a year. Its sunrise and sunset are completely reversed. It's Venus again. The sun there rises in the west and sets in the east. Question 24. Which gas makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere? Your time starts. Clue. The one we don't breathe much of. Not oxygen, but the silent majority in the air. Nitrogen. Though most people think oxygen dominates, it's actually just 21%. Question 25. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? Your time starts. Clue. It orbits Jupiter. Bigger than Mercury itself. Yes, Ganymede. Jupiter's moon, and it's even bigger than Mercury. Excellent effort. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us for more amazing quizzes.